Hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want Me Review channel, and today video I'm going to share with you apps that pay you real money actually in daily or weekly. So there is the main problem actually with these types of apps that they are promising that you can reach up to $50 or $80 or $100 that you need to be paid for that. But I will show you in this video 5 different apps that can pay you real money and daily you can earn from that. So that is earn money daily or daily pay online jobs actually that you can simply get it from You Want to Be Review channel and today video. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. Basically, it is absolutely free strategy and free method or apps that I will share you in today video, and you can definitely use with your smartphone and start making money online right away today. So let's begin the strategy with the first app. So the first app is called Make Money and Free Cash Rewards actually, which is this app. And basically this is a brilliant app that you can earn coins by just collecting or completing different tasks, installing apps, downloading apps, or just using different method and strategies and your smartphone, and that way you can make money from that. So at the first you can get rewards in the app, and then you can change into a real cash and transfer to your bank account or PayPal account or something like that. So it's absolutely free that you can first collect credits by trying free apps, testing services, completing surveys, and giving your opinion. Make money gives you hundreds of thousands of credits, where other cash apps just give you 1,000 or one different credits. Is incredible with this app. So this is the first app that you need to install in your smartphone. The second app is also called Zareklamy, which is make money online for free app actually, this one also. And it is a brilliant app that you can simply download to your PC, and by that way you can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing surveys, typing text, answering questions, watching video ads, browsing website, creating accounts, completing offers, and so many other strategy you can use with this, and then start making money with this app in your smartphone. And the third app that I'm talking about is earn money online in 2021, which is the spin and win free cash app actually. So it is a brilliant app that just give you the time to just you can spend different these options right here, and then you can simply use that, where you can earn unlimited free pocket cash by playing unlimited spin and scratch games. It is easy, quick, and fun way to win unlimited cash. To earn money online 2021 is the best reward app that you can make money anytime and from anywhere. So just install in your smartphone, and that way you can use. And the fourth app that we are talking about is Money SMS, which is still make money online app that you can simply download to your PC. By that way you can earn money whenever you are receiving the SMS. So there are many companies in the world that they need to configure their system or their applications or their websites, so they are sending different people the SMS to activate their or to see their system actually. So by that way they can pay you the money, and you will be paid for that whenever you receive the SMS from that company or from that device. So that is also a free app or application that you can install in your smartphone and start making money. And the last and the fifth app that we are talking about is also a brilliant app that you can still make money online with earn cash rewards. So by this way you can also earn different cash rewards here that you can simply complete simple tasks to get rewards by mobile, top up, or PayPal. To earn cash for playing games and get paid, this app allows you to earn real cash rewards for your everyday habits, earn money and free gift cards in minutes, which is make money playing games, music with other apps, make everyday payday on the This Rewards app. the only cash that pays you real money after downloading, so you can still make money with these types of work. For example, try free apps and complete tasks to get credit, and those credit will be just paid to your real and cash money. So by that way, you can also use this app, which is the Pept app. So if you use these 5 different apps for absolutely free in your smartphone, so you can make a huge amount of money from that. So hope you like it and you are interested with that. If you like, please smash the like button, comment if you have any question, and hit the subscribe button also for more information and more brilliant videos like this that you can make money for absolutely free. So thank you for watching the video. Till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.